Computers, with their intricate web of components and processes, are rooted in the foundations of science and technology. They transform the mundane into magic, allowing us to connect, create, and explore with unprecedented ease. As you navigate through this digital landscape, recognize the unseen brilliance powering your every click and keystroke, and let curiosity guide your understanding. The exploration of these machines enriches not only your knowledge but also your appreciation for the marvels of invention and innovation. So, in the future, don't just use a computer, embrace the complexity behind it, and let it inspire you to learn and innovate further. So, what does it really mean to understand your computer? It's not merely about knowing how to operate it, it's about delving into the intricate workings beneath the surface. When you grasp the function of each component, from the CPU orchestrating processes to RAM temporarily holding data, you build a foundational knowledge that empowers you. This understanding allows you to troubleshoot effectively, upgrade wisely, and appreciate the engineering brilliance that went into creating these machines. You open the door to a world where technology becomes not just a tool but a canvas for your creativity and innovation, inviting you to explore its depths even further. Understanding the evolution of computers also highlights how rapidly technology is advancing. Each new innovation builds upon prior knowledge, creating a compounding effect that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. As artificial intelligence and quantum computing enter the mainstream, they promise to redefine the capabilities of our machines yet again, blurring the lines between human ingenuity and mechanical potential. Embracing this journey through technology invites us to ponder not only the present but also the future, a future that is incredibly bright and filled with untold possibilities. Understanding the components and processes that make computers function effectively empowers you not just as a user, but as an informed individual ready to navigate an increasingly digital world. Whether you're optimizing performance or problem-solving, this knowledge fosters a deeper connection with technology. Embracing the science behind these marvels encourages creativity, innovation, and a proactive approach to technology in daily life. Every keyboard tap and screen touch is underpinned by a complex symphony of engineering. By appreciating the intricacies, you're equipped to contribute to the ongoing dialogue between human creativity and technological advancement, sparking future innovations. Understanding how computers function allows you to see beyond the surface of the screens we interact with daily. The complex interplay of hardware and software in a computer transforms how we communicate, learn, and observe the world around us. When you embrace this knowledge, seeing the CPU as the mastermind behind processing tasks, RAM as the facilitator of speed and efficiency, and the GPU as the artist painting vivid graphics, you cultivate a profound respect for these machines. This appreciation not only enhances your usage but inspires you to foster innovation and creativity within yourself, and perhaps even lead you to explore programming or hardware modifications. Recognizing the artistry in technological design empowers you to be part of the conversation in shaping the future of technology, paving the way for continued discovery and advancement in the digital realm. The heart of computing lies in understanding the seamless collaboration among its core components. As we dissect how these elements function together, we may draw parallels to a well-choreographed dance, where each component has a rhythm of its own, yet they unite to achieve a singular purpose. The CPU, operating as the conductor, directs other parts in executing tasks, while RAM stands ready to respond swiftly, effectively lending its memory for temporary data storage. The motherboard acts as the essential center of communication, ensuring that every signal sent across the buses is clear and precise. Even the cooling systems play a crucial role, quietly maintaining this delicate balance to prevent overheating, showing that every detail, no matter how small, contributes to the overall harmony in this technological symphony. As we continue our exploration into the fascinating world of computers, let's unravel another essential element: software. Software forms the backbone that translates your commands into actions. It's not just an interface, it's the vital function that breathes life into the hardware. Whenever you launch an application, the operating system springs into action, orchestrating the delicate interplay of resources, ensuring your inputs translate into a seamless experience. Think of it as the unseen conductor guiding a majestic orchestra, turning raw potential into functional performance. Each program has its own specific instructions, interacting uniquely with the hardware, making your computer an adaptable powerhouse, fine-tuned to meet your needs. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of software, we encounter the operating system, OS, which acts as a bridge between the user and the computer's hardware. Upon powering up your machine, the OS initializes the various components, ensuring they function in unison, facilitating an environment where your commands seamlessly transform into actions. It manages resources like CPU time, memory allocation, and storage, efficiently directing tasks throughout each operating cycle. The OS also offers a user-friendly interface, enabling even the most novice users to navigate complex systems with relative ease, simplifying what could be an overwhelming experience into an accessible journey through technology. As we continue our journey through the world of computing, let's take a closer look at the importance of understanding the data highway that underpins all operations. Every time you execute a command, myriad signals race along the computer's buses, transferring bits of information with remarkable speed and precision. These electrical pathways, much like highways, must operate efficiently to ensure smooth communication between components such as the CPU, RAM, and storage. The data bus carries the actual data being processed, while the address bus directs where that data needs to go, and the control bus sends timing signals that synchronize operations, ensuring that everything runs harmoniously. This complex but vital communication system is what makes your digital experiences fluid and responsive, and grasping its significance allows you to appreciate the sophisticated orchestration happening within your machine. But there's more. While understanding hardware and buses provides critical insight, it's equally important to recognize how advancements in technology continually reshape our relationship with computers. As we dive into topics like artificial intelligence and quantum computing, we begin to see glimpses of a future where machines may not just assist us, but also anticipate our needs and help us solve problems in ways we've yet to imagine. As these technologies evolve, they challenge us to rethink the very definition of a computer and its potential. Embracing this ever-changing landscape offers opportunities not just for understanding but also for growth, creativity, and innovation. More than simply tools, computers become partners in our quest for knowledge and mastery, inviting us to explore the digital frontier with curiosity and excitement. Understanding computers, therefore, is not just about grasping their mechanics. It's about engaging with a continuous journey of discovery and transformation. From the moment you initiate a task, each component of your computer springs into action, working collaboratively to fulfill your request. The CPU begins interpreting commands, while RAM retrieves necessary data from storage and makes it readily available for immediate processing. In this coordinated effort, buses facilitate the flow of information, ensuring that the CPU has what it needs when it needs it, allowing for efficient multitasking without delays. As you watch a video, the GPU is busy rendering those stunning visuals, applying its power where it's most effective. The intricate ballet of a computer's components continues beneath the surface, where every action requires precision and coordination. As you type a message, the CPU processes each keystroke, sending signals to RAM that store the most recent information. Meanwhile, the motherboard ensures that these components communicate seamlessly and efficiently, creating an interconnected web of functionality. When your browser loads a page, the GPU swiftly transforms static data into vibrant visuals, enhancing your interaction. This continuous loop of input, processing, and output reveals the underlying complexity that constitutes our everyday computing experiences. Approaching technology with a sense of wonder fosters an environment ripe for discovery and progress. Each click unravels layers of computational mastery, begging the question, what's next in this captivating journey? Understanding the mechanics of your computer opens up a world of opportunities for creativity and empowerment through knowledge. Every time you interact with your machine, whether it's surfing the web, creating a masterpiece, or solving complex problems, remember that you are participating in a thrilling interplay of technology and innovation. Learning about this essential relationship encourages you not just to be a passive user, but an engaged participant in the evolution of computing. As we move forward, keep exploring, stay curious, and let your understanding of computers inspire you to harness their potential in ways you might not have imagined yet. Embrace the journey, it's only just beginning. Understanding the inner workings of computers transforms how we perceive and interact with technology in our daily lives. It ignites a passion for learning and innovation, pushing us to explore further into the realms of computer science, programming, and hardware engineering. Every aspect of technology, from the simplest application to advanced AI systems, hinges on these foundational principles. Recognizing their significance empowers us to contribute meaningfully to the future of technology, fostering a spirit of curiosity and creativity that drives progress. By embracing this knowledge, we not only enhance our skills but also inspire others to dive deeper into the fascinating universe of computing. As we peel back the layers of complexity inherent in these machines, let's reflect on the profound impact that understanding computers can have on our lives. When we grasp how these systems operate, we cultivate a sense of empowerment that transcends mere usage. We become innovators and problem solvers, ready to tackle challenges head-on. Whether you're optimizing a home office setup, troubleshooting technical issues, or designing software applications, this knowledge fosters confidence and inspires creativity. Embracing the science of computing not only enriches your personal journey but also connects you to a larger community of tech enthusiasts and creators. As you navigate this digital era, allow your newfound understanding to fuel your aspirations and drive your involvement in the ever-evolving landscape of technology, where the only limit is the extent of your imagination. The collaborative performance of the computer's components exemplifies a finely tuned dance of technology, as every signal sent by the CPU is met with a rapid response from RAM, while the motherboard facilitates seamless communication. Each piece plays its part harmoniously, channeling electricity through its circuits to ensure that your commands translate into engaging digital experiences. The power supply unit fuels this intricate ballet, while the cooling systems work quietly behind the scenes to protect the components from overheating, emphasizing the delicate balance of engineering and design that keeps your computer running smoothly and efficiently. Understanding the components that make computers work empowers users to engage with technology on a deeper level. When you grasp how the CPU orchestrates commands, how RAM serves as a quick-access memory reservoir, and how the GPU renders stunning visuals, you redefine your relationship with these machines. Instead of merely navigating through applications, you begin to appreciate the incredible engineering behind every operation. This knowledge not only fosters problem-solving skills but also encourages you to explore the creative possibilities within technology. Ultimately, an informed perspective on computing ignites a spark of innovation and curiosity in the digital landscape. So, as you navigate through your daily tech interactions, remember that understanding the complexities of computers not only enriches your experience but also empowers you to creatively engage with technology. Embracing this knowledge prepares you to participate actively in the ongoing dialogue of innovation that continues to shape our world. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.